Good evening, students. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. How are your studies going on? I hope you are all preparing your studies. Okay, today we are going to learn a very interesting topic. Let's see what is that. Suppose yesterday was one of your class friend Sudeshna's birthday, and four of your friends, your four friends and you also went to her home. Four friends of your class. Sudeshna's father bought a very special birthday cake, like okay. Suppose this was her birthday cake. You four friend and Sudeshna, total 5 friends were there. So Sudeshna started cutting the cake. When the celebration started, then Sudeshna first started the cake like this, right? Then he cut the cake this and this way and this way and this. Look, there is 6 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. One was for her parents, and your 5 friend was for each separate cake. Then total separated cake was how look like. This was a piece. This was a piece. This is another piece. This is another piece. And this is another piece, right? Seven people were present there. 4 of you friend Sudeshna and her parents. 5 pieces are for you and 1 pieces are for her parents. Then when it was not cut, it was a whole cake. That means a whole part 1. When it is cut in 6 pieces, there are 6 parts. This is one part, this is one part, this is one part, this one and this one. Okay, one of your friend took this part, another friend took this part of cake, another friend took this part of cake, another friend took this part of cake. This is for Sudeshna and this is for her parents. Like one of your friend who took this part, then how many part of the cake he took? See, there are total 6 part of cake and he took 1 part of them. That means total part is 6 and he took 1 part. That is, the portion of her cake is 1/6 or 1/6. The friend who took this part, he also took total 6 part and his portion is 1. That means 1/6 part. This is also 1/6 part of the cake. This is 1/6 part of the cake. this is also 1/6 part and this is also 1/6 part. If we add this total number of parts, we get the whole part 1. So all of us, all of your four friend Sudeshna and her parents, all people got 1/6 part of a cake. This is called a fraction. Why? Look, 1 is a whole number, 6 is a whole number. Two whole numbers are separated by a line. If we write in this way, this is called a fraction. So today our topic is fraction or fractional number. The upper part or upper number is called numerator and the lower part or lower number is called denominator. Right? Then a fraction is written where a numerator is and a denominator is. This form is called a fraction. Okay. Suppose when your teachers took your class test, right? How did he gave your marks? If your full marks is 20, you got suppose 18. Then total marks is 20, you got 18 number. That means 18 is your number and 20 is total number. Same is here. 6 is the total part. 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part, 5 part, 6 part. And your part is, your portion is, you took the portion of cake is 1. Same way, out of 20, you got 18 marks. This is also a fraction. Then it is numerator and this is denominator. If we see this example, 1/6, that means numerator is 1 on denominator is 6. That means numerator is smaller number, denominator is greater number. Then this type of fraction is called proper fraction. Understood? When numerator is small, denominator is large. The examples are 2/3, 4/5, 6/7, etc. And if the numerator is big and denominator is small, we can say that improper fraction. Like 4/3, 7/5, 9/4, etc. I hope you have the clear idea of fraction, right? Today, that's all. Thank you to students.